Yeah, hello and welcome to another update about Ethereum. Only a short and sweet update here to make you aware that we reached the target area. Yeah, again, for everybody who's always moaning that you always apply the Elliott Wave count after the move has happened. No, that's not the case. Earlier I gave you here target for this wave to get into, and so far we've been touching it. I gave you four areas here where the price can find support based on Elliott Wave targets. So we are currently finding some support here on the first one, which was 1130 between 1136 and 1140. That's currently where we're finding support. Should we lose that level, we fall back to 1125. Should we lose that, we'll fall down to 1107. These are the possibilities that Ethereum has to finish off this impulsive move down that we can see. So we had here from the high, we completed a fifth wave here. We moved down in a wave A, up in a B, now in a C. This is a wave 2, higher level wave 2. You had your wave 1 here as part, or the wave. This was a yellow wave count in 5 waves, completing a wave 1. We're now coming down in a wave 2. We had to change this because we moved down lower than expected. Originally, I anticipated a trend reversal here. Didn't happen, very unclear market at the moment. So therefore, we have to have the backup plan and go to the alternative scenario, which is that this here was a 1 and this another 2. So we have now from the low at $880, we had here a first 1 to the upside, a 2 to the downside. This has not changed at all. We then had a 1 to the upside here. This is also not changed, as an impulse, labeled still. And however, this, what I considered originally a wave 4, has turned into a wave 2, which doesn't change anything in the overall scenario that I'm tracking here, a potential breakout for Ethereum. However, at the moment, and I explained that in the Bitcoin video very clearly, we at the moment have to allow for both possibilities, because there is a realistic chance for a breakout to the upside, even though until we have broken above 1280, the downside potential is massive, and I actually have to primarily expect still another lower low. And that lower low will get much more likely if we go below here, 1105, below this wave 2 low. Then there is a significant risk that we're also going to go below 880. That risk is still there anyway, but of course, the more evidence we see in the Elliott Wave patterns that we actually are in a breakout scenario, the lower the risk gets. But at the moment, we are not even above the 1280 key resistance level that I've been talking about now here for weeks. And this is a highly relevant one, and we're still sort of in this range. And until we break out of a range, you simply don't know. And you always are in a state of uncertainty when you have no clear direction. And we don't have clear direction at the moment because the low could have been in already. Ethereum has fulfilled the overall downtrending scenario. We reached all target levels. We even got a 3-digit Ethereum that I told you we will probably get if we break below 1700. So that all worked out. And now we have seen we are in a position that we can count an impulse here to the upside, a correction down, another impulse, which gives us the idea that, indeed, we could be working on a breakout here. And things will get clearer as more and more Elliott Wave patterns will unfold. And as these get more stable, the more confident we can get that we are in a possible breakout. So for now, I expect somewhere here in this range that we already reached, the wave 2 to finish, ideally, and then to reverse back to the upside in a third wave. Now that should be a very bullish wave, and that should take us above that 1280 resistance level. Now if we don't, and if we go below 1105, then there is one more significant support here at 1078, 1075. Now if we lose that, then I think it's just unlikely that this still is a wave 2. And then we have to look at alternative options. But for now, I'm focusing on higher as long as here that 1105 level is active. All right, that's my quick update here about Ethereum. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.